is Brandon Green from Coilover Auto Works. I just want to let you guys know again, man, that the Silver's Neomax is the way to go with this car. This is my SL500 2003. This thing is a dream to drive. I just went airborne a little bit. You know, the confidence that you gain with these coilovers just makes you think that you can do whatever with this car. And this is with no sway bars. This thing handles phenomenal, man. I had realized, I had noticed that the back end was a little bouncy. It kind of reciprocated the imperfections in the road. You felt it in the body, more or less in the back of the car. There was a little bit of a tremble, I guess, after a bad dip. But I just had to dial that in a little bit more. The dampening, I had to tighten that up. 2 clicks did it, canceled that out. You see, there's a fine line between over firm and just right. You just have to keep dialing it in until you get it. So when you guys are complaining about how it handles, you don't have it dialed in right. Get it dialed in, and it's a perfect ride, man. I mean, I drive now more aggressively than I did with coilover. With ABC. So with coilovers, I drive more aggressive than I did when I had ABC, and that's with no sway bars. I'm telling you guys, if I was to track this car, I probably would put sway bars on here just as an added precaution for safety measures to make sure that as I'm doing high-speed maneuverabilities under the most extreme conditions, of course you want to be the safest, duh. But everyday driving, and you're not driving 130 miles per hour around a sharp turn, you're not doing that. But honestly, I've gotten this thing up to speed, man, 100 plus, and I not once felt uncomfortable. The way this thing handles under, excessive speeds and sudden moves and maneuvers for daily driving purposes, it feels great. So what I'm telling you is this, man. Unless you've done this car with adjustable coilovers, whether it be BC Racing, Silver's Neomax, or any other brand that does adjustable coilovers, and you've done it without sway bars, don't tell me that without sway bars, it's dangerous and it feels like crap. If you don't know, you just don't know. I keep saying that. If you don't know, you don't know. So stop saying you know. All right? I don't care what the books say. Every car is unique. Every car is different. Mercedes knows what they're doing when they design this, but they also know what they did when they designed the Black Series version of this and the 350. They know that this car can be driven without ABC. They know that. They know that. Man, this car is great. I'm telling you, man. Talk about what you know, not what you think. And I'm telling you what I know, not what I think, not what I heard. I tell you what I know, not what I heard. Go to Auto Works. I'm out. Fine like Kaya. Chocolate and bow-legged. Well, she light-skinned and bow-legged. Look good, boy. Woo-woo! Shake your fat. Watch yourself. Show me what you're working with. That's it? Just a car? You look good in it. You have people about to crash trying to look at you. All right, yeah, just